So the video we won the copyright strike on, check it out. It's right here. It's this testimonial video. And as you can see right now, restrictions, there is no copyright strike. So let's get into it, guys. I'll show you how to win those copyright strikes and also take advice from lawyers and all that other stuff because I'm not legal beagle or whatever that is. Let's go. Okay, guys, in this one, you are going to learn how to dispute your copyright claims and the couple options you have when dealing with copyright claims, whether in this case, it's going to be from a third party making a claim and it's really bogus company. These guys got bad reviews on Trustpilot, you name it. But if you have your YouTube video up, you can go ahead and open up your channel, hit channel content. Don't look at my views. They're embarrassing. I'm new to doing this for business. I run a full-time creative marketing agency. I understand that assets like these will help people. What we have here, we have your YouTube channel open, and within the YouTube channel, first of all, you start scrolling, and what you're going to see right here is, we have some videos unlisted and copyright, non-copyright, and so sometimes if you don't get the notification, you can just come in and hit your content on your channel by opening up your YouTube channel and then hit view channel. You can open up your dashboard, hit content, look in this column right here, okay? So first one we're going to deal with is down here, one of these Canva videos. We're going to click see details. There's copyright protected content found. The owner allows the content to be used on YouTube. So and YouTube is really good about helping you. YouTube will go above and beyond for you guys. So all right, so this is going to load and it's going to say the content ID claim on your video doesn't affect your channel. This is not a copyright strike. Okay, impact on the video and no impact. So let's not select an action for this, except let's just see what our actions would be. You could trim out the segment, you could replace the song, you could mute the song, or dispute. But we don't want to take any of those actions because it's not necessary. All right. So next one we want to check on. So that was our mastering Canva. And let's go to how to create compelling reels. Let's click in there and hit see details. Let's see what this one is. Okay, so this is coming from a song from 31 minute. Okay. So right here, this is the play segment on the video. And this is showing you like, hey, we don't own this content, but it also has no impact on your channel. So once again, it says if you become a member of the YouTube Partner Program, this claim may affect your ability to monetize this video. But as of right now, it is not affected. So, and to give you an example, this was audio that we used from Canva, right? There's some more unique ones in here. So I'm just going to go through all the ones up here I've seen. Now, this is the one that gets a little bit different. So this one, once again, says, copyright protected content found, the owner allows. Based on the YouTube. Okay, let's go. All right, so no impact, but here's the thing. We are going to dispute it all the way. So don't care. We're going to hit select action and we're going to click dispute. Now dispute says dispute a claim if you have the necessary rights to the content or valid reasons. It takes up to 30 days for a final resolution from the claimant. Your channel won't receive a strike if your dispute gets rejected. All right, so we're going to click that. So if you're using content, like let's say if you're paying to download like different assets from some online place, you will also be provided a license. And so within that dash panel, you just go to your account, hit your downloads, download your license, right? So my dispute isn't based on any of these reasons. So it says I own a copy of the song or video. I'm not making money from my video. I gave credit to the copyright owner. So we're going to click my dispute isn't based on any of the reasons above. I would still like to dispute this content ID claim. Okay, all day because we're going with the goal of being monetized. So we're going to say we have a license, but here are the options here. It's original content, license, copyright exceptions such as fair use, and public domain. All right, now we're going to hit continue. And then we're going to say, I have permission to use content from the copyright owner. Well, I'll tell you what, motherfucker, we bought this shit. We want to use this shit. Quit trying to say I can't use this shit. It's bullshit. All right, please include your license information below. All right, cool. I'm going to go grab that. I downloaded it. It's on my other screen right now. I'm grabbing it. So on this download, what I'm going to do is I am going to upload this information. And I'm not going to show you guys all this stuff right now that I'm going to enter. But it's literally whatever is downloaded on that. It'll just say, the information is going to say license certificate from blank, blank, blank. This license certificate documents a license to use the item listed below. Okay, so now I'm just inserting my license. That is it. And then who it's from. Now I'm copying and pasting all the information you can't see. What? All right. Now my video does not infringe anyone's copyright. I understand that the client. I understand the file. Yep. All right. Sign your name. All right. And then you can go ahead and push that through. But first, I'm going to say, this is a copy of my license. Thank you. All right, and we're just going to hit submit, and then we're going to wait for that decision. Now it says disputes will be sent to the claimant for review. YouTube does not review Content ID disputes. The claimant now has 30 days to review your dispute. If they do not respond within 30 days, the claim will be released automatically. We'll send you an email to let you know the outcome. All right, guys, so that is literally how you go through your YouTube channel and you can dispute all your YouTube copyrights that may be popping up as you're under your restrictions here. And that is how you can dispute them and or fix or cut or trim the audio out. As you see, YouTube gives you a handful of different options. I'm mainly focused on a third-party company coming after me saying, hey, like, you know, it's not affecting your channel. But here's the thing. You want to remove it. You want to get it off there, because the problem with that is if you're going to get monetized and they're like claiming we don't have, when we pay for a license. So boo on whoever be working with artists or whatever that also sells their content to multiple platforms. So, yep. I don't know, sucks, but this is where we're at, and that's how you dispute it, guys. I want to help you go from base to boss, and that's over at basetoboss.com. But dispute all your copyrights, win.